So yun mga tropa, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang nangyari sa buong maghapon sa amin. Sheesh, nakakapagod talaga guys. Basta panoorin nyo na lang ang walang kwenta-kwenta itong vlog. So guys, sa oras na ito pala no, nandito na kami sa Barangay Pias, General Vino, papunta sa bay Bakong na tinatawag.
Listen to my voice, coming at you like a lion's roar. I won't go quietly. Take a picture now, take a picture now. Go on, hold the hubble as we don't lose sight.
Dala-dala ko hirap boy.
Oh honey, if you
Motor! Utang na! Nag-aarar oh! Nag-aarar man! Dito na kami sa Bakog.
I never felt so free as I do right now. No way that I'm ever coming down. I'm on my way to leave the atmosphere. It's all coming clear. Better say your au revoir. Baby, I was made for the stars.
Kain mga idol. Si Rudy ko, kakain na si Rudy ko.
Kami na vlog ng vlog.
Ano nga yan, memories? Vlogger nga ni.
Ang sarap po, ate.
I am a rocket. There's no way you can stop me if you tried. I never felt so free like I do right now. No way that I'm ever coming down. I'm on my way to leave the atmosphere. It's all coming clear. Say your au revoir. I was made for the stars. They're shining bright. Look out, I'm dynamite. Say your au revoir. Mom, I was made for the stars.
Woo! Hanggang dito na lang. Paalam!